Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch robot vacuums. In one corner, we have the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, and in the other corner, the Roomba Combo J5. Let's dive right into the comparisons and find out which one reigns supreme in various categories. Both the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum and the Roomba Combo J5 are priced at $599, so in terms of affordability, it's a tie. The Shark AI Ultra boasts incredible suction power, tackling even the toughest messes on all floor types. It features Matrix Clean technology, ensuring no spots are missed with its precision matrix grid cleaning. Additionally, it has a self-cleaning brush roll and a bagless, self-emptying base that can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 offers powerful performance and pickup with its 4-stage cleaning system. It also has dirt detect technology, allowing it to focus on dirtier areas. With the added Roomba Combo bin, it can even mop your hard floors, leaving them shiny and dust-free. When it comes to smart features, both vacuums have their own unique offerings. The Shark AI Ultra comes with 360-degree lidar vision for precise home mapping. It adapts to changes in your home and can be controlled hands-free using voice commands through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 knows what to clean and what to avoid, thanks to its advanced navigation and proprietary technology. It can even create no-mop zones to keep your carpets dry. If you have furry friends at home, you'll want a vacuum that can handle pet hair and messes effectively. The Shark AI Ultra is perfect for homes with pets, thanks to its powerful suction and self-cleaning brush roll. It captures pet hair, dirt, and debris with ease. Similarly, the Roomba Combo J5 understands pet messes and promises to steer clear of your pet's waste. They even have a pet owner official promise, where they'll replace your robot for free if it fails to avoid pet waste. Both vacuums have their unique strengths, and the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Remember, always do your research and consider what features are most important to you before making a purchase. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and helpful buying guides. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. We'll see you in the next video.